Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a free food haul for Tuesday morning. All the stuff was free, so let's get started. I got a can right here of some fresh corn. Got that for free. And then I got some more peanut butter again. Then I got this big can of Progresso's chicken soup. I got a can right here of corn again. No, I'm sorry, green beans. Keep thinking it's corn. That's green beans. And then also I got this for free. I got a donut. I got some Hunt's no added sugar spaghetti sauce. I got a box right here of some tampons. Got that for free. A whole box. Brand new. Got some cranberry sauce. I got this big bag right here. This is a pancake mix. So I got that for free. Then I got this big, huge, extremely heavy, real big. Oh my goodness, it's really heavy to pick up. It's a big thing of white all-purpose flour. This is huge. This is probably like 10 pounds or so. Got this huge bag for free. Let me see if I can slide that down. Got a box of Annie's organic macaroni and cheese. This is the classic one. Got one of those. Then I got a bag right here of some honey barbecue chips. Got that for free. Then I got this big thing of Bosco, whatever you pronounce it, pancake syrup with the bear on it. I also got this for free. I got a thing of spaghetti. I also got 2 bottles right here of Coca-Cola. Got these for free. Some Coca-Cola, the big ones. Got 2 of those. And I don't drink this, so I'm going to give this to my son. And the last thing I got free was this real big, it's called turkey chili with rice and black beans with mild cauliflower fries. So I got this meal right here. Yup, and that's it. That's all I got for free, guys, this morning. Thanks for watching this free food haul, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day. Bye.